Welcome back to Technophoria, a tech smart review channel. Gone are those lengthy reviews and confusing long list of recommendations. We present you the top 3 list of products under different category with a short and precise review and a unique comparison among them using product smart scoring, which help you choose the best product for you in a fast and easy way. Today we have the top 3 external SSDs of 500 GB capacity. Now the top 3 doesn't mean the first being at the top or third being at the bottom, it's just the list. Now starting from the first product from our list is the Samsung T5 500GB external SSD. This SSD comes from the brand Samsung. Now the plus point of having SSD in comparison to HDD or hard disk is its compact size and of course the faster speed. This SSD or solid state drive is smaller than a visiting card in size and just weighs around 51 grams. This comes with a USB Type-C to USB cable and a USB Type-C to USB-A cable, and you can easily connect it over a wide range of devices, including PCs, Macs and smartphones. The top and bottom part of the SSD is made up of metal and it can withstand drops from up to 2 meters as it is shock resistant. It has connection interface of USB 3.1 Gen 2 which allows faster transfer speed. It also comes with optional password protection and AES 256-bit hardware encryption, so your files are safe. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS and Android. It comes in one color option, that is blue. It has a connection interface of USB 3.1 Gen 2 and a transfer speed of up to 540 Mbps. Now let's see the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it comes with USB 3.1 Gen 2. It is shock resistant up to 2 meters. It has a data security of AES 256-bit hardware encryption. It is extremely portable with its compact design. Now let's move on to the cons. Nothing special in looks, it looks basic. Now moving on to the smart score. Look and feel 3.5 by 5, durability 4.5 by 5, transfer speed 4.5 by 5, portability 4.5 by 5, and value for money 4.5 by 5. It is priced at around 6399 or 6400 rupees. If you want to check this product out, the link is given in the description. Now moving on to the second product from our list is the SanDisk 500GB SSD. This SSD looks really good with its colored accent around the space on the top right corner. Not only it looks good but also serves the purpose of portability. It also feels nice in hands with its rubberized texture and it just weighs around 39 grams. So it's very portable. It's really compact and can be easily carried. This is a 500GB variant that comes with USB 3.1 interface. A USB Type-C to Type-C connector with a detachable USB-A connector is included in the box. It also comes with IP55 water and dust resistance. It doesn't mean that you can submerge this product under water. It can withstand few splashes without a problem. Also it's shock resistant, so it can easily withstand accidental drops from the table or pocket, in some case from even higher than that. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac. It has a connection interface of USB 3.1 and the transfer speed of 550 Mbps. Now let's see the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, nice looks and feels good in hands. IP55 dust and water resistant rating. It is shock resistant. It has compact design and it is lightweight. Now let's see the cons of this product. Well, there are none. Moving on to the smart score. Look and feel 4.5 by 5, durability 4.5 by 5, transfer speed 4.5 by 5, portability 5 by 5 and value for money 4 by 5. It is priced at around 6700 rupees. If you want to check this product out, the link is given in the description. And if you buy this product using that link, it will help our channel grow. Now moving on to the next product from our list is the Seagate OneTouch 500GB external SSD. This SSD really looks nice with its minimalism and looks premium and modern as well. It also comes in camouflage design. Must say, it's best looking SSD among the competitions. It comes in 2 design options. One has got a nice texture surface and looks like some piece of cloth is on its top layer, and other one with camo design on its surface. It's lightweight with 65 grams of weight. It's really compact with just the size of a credit card, so can be easily carried as it's extremely portable. This is a 500GB variant and the connection interface is USB 3.0, which is slower in comparison with other 2 SSDs in our list. It's also the cheapest among all the 3 SSDs. It comes with 3-year data recovery services, so you can easily recover your lost data. It includes 1 year Milo Create and 2 months Adobe CC photography subscriptions, which is nice. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac, but reformatting may be required, or you can format it as exFAT system, which works on both. It comes with connection interface of USB 3.0 and transfer speed of around 400 Mbps. It comes in dark grey, light grey, camo blue, camo green, camo grey and camo magenta colors. Now let's see the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it's stylish with modern design. 3 years data recovery services included. Software subscription, that is Milo Create and Adobe CC photography. The price is really competitive. Now let's see the cons of this product. At least USB 3.1 inclusion could have been better. Moving on to the Smart Score. Look and feel 5/5, durability 4/5, transfer speed 3.5/5, portability 4.5/5 and value for money 4.5/5. It is priced at around 5,600 rupees, and if you want to check this product out, the link is given in the description. Now these are our top 3 recommendations of external SSDs of 500 GB. If you own one of these, or if you have any other suggestion in your mind, feel free to share it in the description box below. If you want us to review any other product, you can write it as well. If you liked this video, please give this video a like. Please subscribe to the channel for more such tech videos. And if you found this video useful, do share it with your friends and family. You can check out our Facebook page as well. We post new videos every week, so we will see you next week. Till then, see you.